मिलेनियम वर्ल्ड स्कूल सुल्तानपुर में धूमधाम से मनाया गया शिक्षक दिवस। आपको बताते चले, सुल्तानपुर के टॉप 1 में अपना स्थान बनाने वाले मिलेनियम वर्ल्ड स्कूल में बड़े ही धूमधाम से शिक्षक दिवस मनाया गया। स्कूल के प्रबंधक सुशील त्रिपाठी ने सभी शिक्षकों को शिक्षक दिवस की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं दी तथा बच्चों को अपने गुरु और माता पिता को सम्मान देने और शिक्षा ग्रहण कर जीवन में आगे बढ़ने की सलाह दी। सभी बच्चों ने टीचर को तरह तरह के मंचन कर टीचरों को अपना हुनर दिखाया। वहीं पर टीचरों ने भी बच्चों को साथ मिलकर कार्यक्रम की शोभा बढ़ाई। कार्यक्रम में के समापन के बाद प्रधानाचार्य आनंदन सर ने सभी टीचरों को शुभकामनाएं दी।
शिक्षक दिवस पे सबसे पहले सभी शिक्षकों को और ढेर सारी शुभकामनाओं के साथ साथ यहाँ के प्रधानाचार्य आनंदन जी, सभी शिक्षिकाएं बहुत सारी शुभकामनाओं के साथ डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन जी ने अपना पूरा जीवन इस शिक्षा और शिक्षा के लिए दिया। जब उनके विद्यार्थियों ने उनका जन्मदिन मनाने के लिए कहा, उन्होंने कहा कि ये मेरा जन्मदिन शिक्षकों के लिए समर्पित हो।
Was invited to his school, Mr. Ramchandra. As he arrived at the school, children stood in line. Likewise today, one of the students went and garlanded the old teacher from the same school. After welcoming him in the program, student asked the old teacher, "What did you learn? Or what was your greatest experience in the school while you worked?" Without any hesitance, the teacher answered, "It's more than working with them. I learned every day. I learned from students every day." The story tells all about, it reminds us, teaching is not a thing that I am inspiring students with my ideas, facts, thoughts, making them more intelligent. But more than that, there are fearless children. I learn from them how to be courageous. There are impatient and restless students. I learn from them how I need to be patient. There are children who bring for break, lunch, share with those children who don't have lunch. I learn from them kindness. We may think that we know, but we learn when we walk in the classroom. I feel regretted sitting in my office, rather posing with different postures, unless and until I step in classroom, I teach them, I am greatly pleased and have a good sleep. A teacher is a man who learns every day. It's not, as the saying goes, teaching is eternal. Being teacher is an eternal grace. Perhaps today is this. But the second question comes, how I need to be a teacher. The biggest lesson I learned from musical chair. The musical chair, I observed a few things. I saw when the music was played, teachers were going around. Some, while they going, they were looking at the chair. They were walking. You know, it's my focus is not walking ahead. My focus whether I get a seat or not. While I walked, while I see some crying, come, Smith, you hear, place is there. Smith runs and she goes and sits. They never call Rekha, they never call Amita, they never call Amandeep, they never call Sharada. They call Smith, come. And I see, the same department, 2 teachers working. One come and seeing the place, one going reverse and both dashing each other, whether I get the seat or not. Fitness of a survivor. Being teacher is not enough. You got to be smart enough. You need to relate to all teachers. The biggest lesson I learned from musical chair, you need to relate to all teachers. Don't think, I don't need her, I don't need him, I don't need. You will not be able to survive. If you need to survive a teacher's family, you need to relate to everyone in the school. Sometimes you may get hurt, never mind, like a dust.